Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You see where I am right now? Okay, you see, you better guess before I tell you. This is Mbuya Hill, and moving around this beautiful place, residential area. Yep, it's such a beautiful place. You can all see, full of trees. The environment is quiet, and you can, hear the bird sounds. Let's take a moment and you listen to the bird sounds, okay? Let me show you around. Look at the vegetation right there. Those are all plants, flowers, the garden. Residential area. I just love the sound of birds, and I'm really enjoying. Anyway, back to me. I know most of you, I don't know if you all know Mbuya, but I'm gonna tell you, a bit about Mbuya, okay? Well, Mbuya Hill is one of the famous hills, of Kampala, okay? And it's located in the southeastern, southeastern part of the city, about 6 or 7 kilometers away from the city center. Yeah, I think it's 7. If I'm wrong, you can leave a comment below, okay, and correct me, but that's it. And it's full of residential homes. It has got apartments, all that kind of stuff, okay? Yep. So today I've decided to just take a walk around this beautiful place. I'm really tired because climbing up this side was not easy at all, okay? Yep, I think you see nature. You see what I'm talking about? Very calm, quiet, okay? You all need to visit this place. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the views. I'm at the hill, at the top of the hill. You see that place? That's Kasokoso. Yep. I think I need to get a very nice view of it. Now, what makes this place so special? Okay? You might ask yourself that question. What makes this place so special? Like I said, this is a hill, okay? And what makes it so special, it's around 100 meters above sea level. So that means people living this side, they always do receive that cool breeze, okay, from the height of this place, and it's really something special, okay? When you're living in some places that are lower than these, this hill, you won't experience such breeze, you know what I mean? Yep. So that really makes it so special. Dang, look at this beauty, man. Look at nature. That's what I'm talking about. Residential area, man. You won't find this anywhere else. Only at Mbuya Hill, okay? This is what I wanted to show you. That's one of the reasons as to why people love this place. Look. It's about 1,300 meters above sea level. And, people living in this place, they do receive, a cool breeze, all day night. It's really beautiful out here. And when you look at the residential houses, it's something else. I just want to show you this. Look, that place is Kasokoso. I don't know if I can get another angle and I show you this place of the city side. Let me go check it out and see if I can get a very nice view of from a different angle. But just know it's so cool, man. Oh man, I'm failing to do so. What I'm talking about, look at the sunrise. Mbuya Hill, that's my current location. Look at this sunrise. Wow, it's really beautiful, man. And this is what I've been telling you guys about. It's one of the reasons people love this place. Man, look, man. Look at this beauty. I mean, I can't stop watching this. It's really beautiful, man. Sunrise at Mbuya Hill. Yep. Now, that place, I think that's Kasokoso. Yeah, for those of you who know Kasokoso, that's the place. And that place is full of, I would say that, I don't want to say that, you know, the poor population, no, but okay, let me just call the low class end, yeah, because it's congested, okay, yep, that's what I wanted to show you. Look at this. The water is just flowing. Nobody's scared. Dang, bro. Anyway, let's proceed. We're now heading back to the residential areas. I want to show you around the residential places. At first I was looking for this beautiful view to show you, the sunrise from this angle at Mbuya Hill. Yep, now it's time I show you Mbuya residential side of it. You might like it, man. Yep. Mbuya also has an interesting history. Long before modern Kampala developed, this hill was the seat of the Kago, who was the county chief of Chadondo in the Uganda kingdom. Later, the administrative center moved elsewhere, and Mbuya gradually developed into the residential area we see today. We back. Look what I found, man. Mbuya Parents. Such a beautiful school. I used to have someone school this side, but that person left and went to Canada. Yep. My sister used to come and visit her, every station day, VD. Yeah, that's the school I'm talking about. I would say it's kind of an international school, you see. Yep, but it's a nice school. Yep, though you gotta have some money in your wallet, okay, before you can look up to it. Yep, they set standard. Yep, that's it, man. It's a nice school. Mbuya Parents. Yeah, Mbuya Parents School. Such a beautiful school, man. Look. Man, I like the architecture. Now, this is one of the reasons Mbuya is considered one of the beautiful residential areas in Kampala. I think you can see, look around, all these, modern homes, apartments. I think you can see what I'm talking about. Green compounds and tree-lined roads. I hope you're enjoying it. The area has a peaceful atmosphere compared to some of the busier parts of the city. If you're to check out one of my old videos when I was helping you tour Golovi, I think you noticed it was also kind of a residential area. So these are similar places, all residential areas, okay? For those of you who are looking for apartments, dang bro, I just spotted this for you. Come check it out. Native living apartment. They look to be really nice. Next time hopefully I'll be able to enter, but today I'm not gonna enter, okay? I'm just moving around. See this view? Look. Now this side is Motungo. That's Motungo Hill. Yep. Motungo Hill. Look at these residential houses, man. Man, you need to visit this place, guys. Look. Look at this beauty. Look at the nature of this place. Look at all this, man. Look at all this beauty. Look at all that. The streets are empty. Like I said, it's a residential area, man. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, okay? In case you enjoyed, you can share with your friends and family. Yep, you might, get somebody, get some knowledge from it. Yep. See you in the next video as I show you around Uganda. I've started with Mbuya, but very soon I'm gonna be exploring different places, okay? Yep, we're gonna explore the whole of Uganda, Kenya, and different countries as well. Yep. Ciao.